Hey there. Imagine waking up today to a sunny morning, your coffee's brewing, and you are ready to dive into some IT wisdom. I need to spill the beans on securing your data with some nifty Microsoft secrets, but first, I've got another mission for you. Head over to Neeraj's YouTube channel, hit subscribe, and don't forget to check out my blog for more tech wizardry at TechLab. Alright, let me switch over to hosting this little chat between two buddies about the nitty-gritty of secure data management in Microsoft environments. Here goes. Hey, have you ever considered just how precious data is in our modern world? It's like finding a gold coin in a grain of wheat, right? Organizations are stacking up mountains of data, and every byte they store is a potential gold mine if things go south. So, when I'm rolling up my sleeves and diving into Microsoft environs, Azure to be precise, I see data security as my #1 priority, especially in configuring security policies. You see, ensuring data remains both accessible and impregnable is more complex than just locking your door at night, but fear not. Here's my take on how we do it at the pro level. First things first, you gotta grasp that Microsoft's got several layers in place, like Azure Active Directory for managing who gets in and out of this digital fortress. And trust me, I've been navigating these treacherous waters, ensuring only those with keys in hand, meaning legit credentials, can enter. Now, Azure Policy is another trusty tool in my arsenal. Think of it as the bouncers with a blueprint. It helps enforce how your services should behave and keeps everything on the level, like playing poker where everyone's adhering to the rules. Now, I'll break down the essential playbook for you. As an IT guru in the Microsoft universe, I've learned a trick or two, like knowing that the cornerstone of your defense is a strong identity and access management system. You'd want to tighten this system using tools like Azure Role-Based Access Control. Imagine assigning specialized keys that can only unlock specific drawers in your safe, ensuring sensitive info doesn't fall into the wrong hands. I've always said, if it wasn't for policies, it was not worth deploying. So, let's roll over to the world of Azure Policy, making your cloud security robust like a well-made armor. It's about setting mandatory requirements, nothing you can skim or ignore. Compliance isn't some abstract concept, it's a daily mantra. We regularly set up and enforce rules, so when auditors come knocking, they're welcomed with perfection. Of course, no grandiose security scheme exists in isolation. It's why I advocate for a comprehensive logging and monitoring setup, like having watchful eyes perched atop your fortress walls. Azure Monitor and Azure Security Center come into play, letting me keep tabs on the comings and goings, acting immediately if something smells fishy. And then, I can't stress enough about regular security check-ins, or should I say, drills. It's not paranoia, friend, it's prudence. We test, tweak, and fortify our defenses without fail, a never-ending battle, but it's worth it when peace of mind envelopes the entire organization. So imagine this: I've led a team, guided our cloud environment through mazes of potential vulnerabilities, and outsmarted cyber threats. It's about understanding your environment's architecture as much as the enemy's battle plan, making sure our policies are living, breathing, and more than capable to protect against intrusions big or small. Now, if you've made it this far, I want to hear your thoughts, and hey, while we're talking shop, why not join the community at Neeraj's YouTube channel? Hit the subscribe button at neerajdots.io. I've been there, done that, and got the tales in my blog at TechLab that could further unravel the mysteries of Microsoft's security policies, served hot and fresh with my personal touch. Visit neerajdots.io, subscribe to TechLab, and let's continue this conversation on the digital chessboard. I'm always up for expanding horizons.